Hi everyone, this is Julia from Realbricks. First, thank you to all of our investors and the Realbricks community. Your trust, engagement, and feedback has played a huge role in everything we accomplished in 2025. As we head into the new year, I wanted to reflect on what we built together and share what we're working on for 2026. Before we begin the discussion, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. 2025 was an important year for Realbricks. Last year, we added new properties, paid our dividends across 4 quarters, expanded into Princeton, Texas, and grew our community to over 20,000 users. We improved the Realbricks app, achieved multiple development milestones, and continued bringing high-quality, single-family rental homes onto the platform. We also partnered with one of the nation's largest homebuilders, and we plan to continue growing that relationship as we expand into new markets in 2026. Throughout 2025, we also listened to a lot of great feedback from our investors. Many of you asked for more flexibility, more control, and better long-term tools on the platform. One of the most common feature requests was Dividend Reinvestment Plans, which are now on our 2026 roadmap. The goal is to allow any amount of dividend earnings to automatically be reinvested to take advantage of compounding interest over time. We also heard strong interest in recurring investments. We're actively working toward enabling weekly or monthly recurring investments, which we anticipate launching later this year. Liquidity has been another major topic. One of the biggest updates we're building is the Realbricks peer-to-peer marketplace, also known as the Realbricks secondary market. Once a property becomes fully funded by selling all available shares on the primary market, it becomes eligible to move to the secondary market. From there, investors can list shares for sale and transact directly with other users on the platform. The goal is to create an open trading environment where investors can buy and sell shares at mutually agreed upon prices. The Realbricks secondary market is currently scheduled to launch in the first half of 2026, though timing may vary. Be sure to check your account regularly for updates. In addition to new app features, we plan to continue adding new properties in different regions across the United States in 2026, and your input matters. We'd love to know which markets you're most interested in next. Please comment below to let us know your preference among the following locations: Dallas metro area, Texas; Nashville, Tennessee; Raleigh, North Carolina; Bentonville, Arkansas. Your feedback directly helps guide where we expand next. As always, thank you for being part of the Realbricks community and for continuing to share your feedback with us. We're excited about what's ahead in 2026 and look forward to building it together.